St. Boniface Catholic Church in Sublimity, Oregon, is a historic Carpenter Gothic structure built in 1889 and still an active parish in the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Portland. The church is a 6-bay wooden building with lancet stained glass windows, a steep sloping roof, and a cross-adorned steeple reaching 110 feet above ground. A historic cemetery adjoins the church. The first Catholics in Sublimity arrived in the 1870s as German immigrant farmers from states such as Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Nebraska. Before this, the area was inhabited by Native American tribes, including the Kalapuya, Santiam, and Molalla, with the Molalla closely related to the Cayuse. The region's moderate climate and fertile land attracted settlers from the Waldo Hills and Salem area by the mid-1800s. Services were initially held in private homes. The first priest, Father Peter Juvenal Stamfel, arrived in 1879 and began parish records on December 3, 1879. By 1884, the community had grown enough to warrant a dedicated church building. Construction of St. Boniface Church began and was completed in 1889. The Carpenter Gothic style reflects the craftsmanship of the era, with intricate woodwork and stained glass. The church's design and location reflect the importance of the German Catholic community in shaping Sublimity's religious and cultural life. Today, the church remains active, with services on Saturday evenings and multiple Sunday Masses. The parish continues to honor its heritage through its archives, community events, and outreach programs.